Hi, I'm Rebecca Mouw. I'm founder of Mouw Law and the Raven Community Fund. A group of ravens is called a conspiracy. They're also called an unkindness, and both fit. What I am building is a conspiracy against injustice and a confrontation of the unkindness in our legal system. I built Mouw Law because the system is failing the very people it claims to protect, so I built something different. South Dakota is one of the worst legal deserts in the country, but this model is easily duplicated for other states. Legal aid is underfunded on purpose, restricted, overwhelmed, and dependent on donors. Most firms bill hourly and prioritize profit over people. And the result? Families lose custody, lose their homes, while slumlords and municipalities face no accountability. So, what's the solution? We use the system to beat the system. Mouw Law uses flat fee and sliding scale pricing so families know upfront what their case will cost before the chaos hits. Through the Raven Community Fund, 1/3 of every personal injury settlement we win goes right back into the community to pay for legal services for those who can't afford them. Over time, the fund becomes a 501c3, expanding into grants and partnerships for long-term justice access. This model does not exist in South Dakota, but it's about to. The market opportunity, this access to justice gap isn't accidental, it's structural. We already have community partners for the Raven Community Fund, and the people who want to help are exhausted. We just need to show them how. We're doing personal injury differently, combining housing and municipal codes with insurance law to target the actual power structures harming families, and we're including in sexual assault cases, slumlords, and city governments into our targets. That's real change, and once the nonprofit wing is active, our impact only grows. The momentum. I've outgrown systems built on egos and respectability politics. I've got clients waiting to sign, attorneys and staff are ready to join once the funding is stable, and we already have an active municipal case with class action potential. A perfect example of the work that is to come. Everything is ready except the bridge funding. So about me, I've practiced law for 9 years. I've practiced in family law, injury, and constitutional litigation. I've seen where the cracks are. I know who falls through them. I know the law, I know the system, and I know how to build the ones that actually serve the people. The clients, the software, the infrastructure, everything is ready. I just need the bridge. So that's where you come in. $65,000 launches the mission. It fuels 5 months of operation to keep the doors open, to serve families, and to stabilize Mouw Law's foundation. Everything after $65K directly funds the Raven Community Fund, paying for legal services for those who cannot afford them. Your support determines how far the doors swing open. Join the conspiracy against injustice, because when you outgrow a system that's built to contain you, you build your own. Thank you.